Welcome to Health Plans Today. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Spill baking soda in your bed and after 30 minutes, you will be surprised of results. When we realize the hidden dirt with mattresses, we do not expect more for this amazing solution. You may not want to admit it or simply do not think about this, but the mattresses are full of germs and dirt. I show you how to clean it in the easiest way possible. We are used only to change the bed sheets, and wash them, and all our life we think this is enough. We think the mattress is clean, because it was just dirty the bed sheet. However, after a long time, our mattress becomes a source of dirt. The particles of sweat, body fluids, dust and dirt pass through leave savanna and end up on the mattress. It takes time for the mattress sturdy, rare times some of us clean the mattress. How to clean a mattress. First we cleaned with a vacuum cleaner, and then sprinkled the mattress with baking soda. This simple but effective trick is to disinfect the mattress in the sleeper. Baking soda will kill bacteria, then vacuuming to remove dust, and then you can spray the mattress with water to which has been added a few drops of an essential oil to have a pleasant smell.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.